Today I will do a $10 challenge with my strategy based on Aroon+RSI and a moving average. Drop a like, subscribe, and comment below. I've shown this strategy before. Link to the original video is in the description and on screen. But let's quickly recap how it works. When the blue line of Aroon tops up while crossing above its red line, candle closes above the moving average, and RSI is above 50, preferably close to 70, we anticipate price will rise and place a buy. You can spot a false signal here, but be aware of the recent resistance level. It's clearly visible there is almost no room between the massive trigger candle's closing price and the resistance level. There the move has already happened, so this signal should be avoided. When the red line of Aroon tops while crossing above its blue line, candle closes below the moving average, and RSI is below 50, preferably close to 30, we anticipate price will fall and place a sell. You can spot a false signal here too. The cross of the red Aroon was not steep and confident enough. It was doing it in 2 steps. Avoid that. As always, market analysis is the key to success. Let's set up the environment for this strategy. Set time frame to 30 seconds. Set trade duration to 1 minute using free expiration mode. Among indicators, choose Aroon, moving average, and RSI. Open settings for moving average and set period to 19. I set a visible color and increase thickness of the line. For the Aroon indicator, set the period to 16. Beginners can set the color of up to green to associate with buy signals, but I'm used to the blue. For the relative strength index, set the period to 9. Choose instruments with high payout. Everything is set up. Let's start trading. Price has crossed below the moving average. Last candle was trying to climb up again, but got rejected. There is a bearish divergence between price and relative strength index. This means price will likely reverse to downtrend sooner or later. RSI is climbing below 50. We have enough confluence as to say this is a clean setup. I'm not waiting for red Aroon. The bearish divergence says Aroon's signal confirmation might come late. It will still be a good signal, but I can enter earlier, so I'm placing the sell now. If you are interested in trading on this platform I use, follow the registration link in the video description below. Registration is completely free, money can be deposited later, or feel free to choose a different platform if you like. But make sure to do your research first before you trade there. Look at this huge bearish candle. Of course, price could still reverse on second candle, but it's less likely. Consider joining my Telegram channel. No chat, no clutter, just hassle-free updates and exclusive infos of new video uploads. If you are interested in prepared setups with proper market analysis examples, check my original video about this strategy. Link to it is placed in the video description. Our first trade won. I start looking for the next setup, but I will check this instrument later that entering on red Aroon's confirmation was still a good option. It was still winning, just less confidently. But as you already know, size of a move does not matter for a binary option, just the direction. There was a false signal recently, though it was easily spot as market was retesting previous support level. Current bearish candle breaks this support, so signal can be accepted. I placed the sell. Also, there was a right bullish signal as well. While waiting for this trade to finish, there is just enough time to press the like button and subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to select all notifications. It's just a few clicks for you, but helps my channel a lot. Thank you very much. Check out my other trading challenges. There are multiple ones with $1 and $10 starting amounts. Do you like these challenges, or prefer my regular videos with deeper analysis? Let me know in the comments. If current strategy is not for you, feel free to check my other videos which teaches thoroughly tested strategies that have proven success to myself and many of my viewers. Have you done such trading challenges? Share your results to motivate others. Trade 1. Look for next setup. The lack of candles look bad. Probably there is some network problem. If this happens, I suggest not doing trades. Probably taking a small break makes sense, and the network problem might disappear when you get back to your computer. I try to refresh the page. Probably some maintenance is being done on the server side. Let's take the break I mentioned earlier. I grabbed a coffee and replied to some of your comments. And pocket option works again, so let's continue trading. This setup is an interesting one. There is a recent resistance level close to the current price, which tells to act with caution. But there is also a double bottom pattern. Current candle seems strong, tries to deviate from the moving average. It's not the best setup, but this is a $10 challenge. Let's see if resistance or double bottom is stronger this time. A buy is placed. I love to read your comments and try to answer them all. And I'll try my best to fulfill all video requests. Though please understand I am still a single person behind this channel, so my time and resources are limited. Thank you very much for your understanding. To clear things up, I'm trading solely binary options on this channel, not traditional Forex. There is no stop loss. A binary option is a time-based contract which wins an extra payout if price goes in the direction you anticipated, and loses original risk if it goes in the opposite. Check my tutorial video for beginners if anything is not clear. Please make sure you completely understand what you are doing before risking your money. Trade 1. Look for next. Price is at prior support. Signal is risky. You know what? Since this is a challenge, let's see how the strategy performs. I'm placing the sell. For people joining late this video, if you are interested in trading on this platform I use, find the registration link in the video description below. If it's too stressful for you to watch your trades, especially when they go against your prediction in the middle, feel free to take a small break. Trade will play out in your absence, and you can perform your analysis afterwards when you are relaxed. Trade 1. This is the end of the first part of this challenge. Expect the second part in a few days. Drop a like, consider subscribing, and leave a comment below. Remember, trading carries high risk. Read the full risk disclaimer in the video description. Thank you very much for being here. See you in a few days.